morning everyone. So I am the principal of Abhay Vidyashram Public School, Morapur, Dharmaburi, Tamil Nadu. Affiliation number 1931001. Today we have inspection prior video for recording COVID-19 online inspection. So from the gate we start and we shall go inside and see all the infrastructure whatever we have for the inspection of committee member 1. Thank you. So this is our entrance. You can see our school's view from front. So pleasant atmosphere we have for our students to have inside the campus here. And now I want to show the place for assembly. Every week Monday we have a ground assembly here. Every week we have a flag hoisting also. So we can see the flag post here. So this is where we have our office. We have admin office and as well as principal office, where we cater our students as well as parents for the need of admission, and we will be registering all the students in this office. So let us go inside and see what are the infrastructure we have inside the campus. So this is where our kindergarten children they study. So now we come to the LKG section. You can see the well furnished classroom with all the facilities, and you can see the pictures of basic things the kindergarten children they need to know about. So we have given a good atmosphere for KG children to learn in a healthy way. So one more KG section, UKG we have here. You can see all the alphabets being on the wall itself. So children they have good atmosphere for learning here. And also we have air conditioner facility to make our children feel comfortable. So grade 1 we start here. You can see the atmosphere inside the class. So children learn alphabets. We also have a demo flashcards and everything to make our children learn. So here we have grade 2. So we have the construction as per the guidelines by the CBSE, and inside you can see the windows with the grilled one for the reason of children they have to be very safe. So here we have grade 3. You can see the atmosphere inside the class. So primary section is for very important for any child to learn. Grade 3 we have decorated with all sorts of charts and the children they learn basic things here. So as we saw in the ground floor, KG section also one fire extinguisher. Near grade 3 also we have one more. So we take care of our children. We actually care about our children. So then we can see next class. Grade 4. The same we can see in all the classes. Same sort of decorations. So same sort of atmosphere also. You can also see grade 5 also in the ground floor itself. So we all the classes 1 to 5 primary sections in the ground floor. So as per the guidelines of CBSE, 1 to 5 we have in ground floor. Now you can see inside the class. You can see the ground floor itself, we have library facility with a hand wash place and as well as a fire extinguisher, so which is mentioned in the bylaw of CBSE. So let us see the inside infrastructure of our library. So as per the bylaw, 14 into 8 is the construction place of a library. But we have 16 into 8 sufficient place and as well as a computer with the high speed internet connectivity, and so we have books, the library, the reading place and as well as fully furnished library. So we also have provided a sports room. So they can collect balls and rackets and everything will be placed here. So in the ground floor itself we also have a indoor game facility. The sufficient space is there for children to spend some healthy time inside the indoor games. So in the ground floor itself we also have kids playroom where the kindergarten and the primary children they can use this place for their refreshment actually. So you can see the proper facility we have provided for our kindergarten and primary children. So here we have primary sections, boys restroom. So we have provided all the facilities for children. Go to break and you can see inside also. So in the ground floor itself we have for primary children, the boys restroom as per the guidelines given by CBSE, we have a proper partition to provide children healthy atmosphere. Let us see inside. So this is where our primary children, after the lunch and in between breaks, they wash their hands and they use for refreshment. So we have food water facility for our children. So you can see the ground floor itself. That part of building we have seen boys restroom. Here we have girls restroom with all the proper facility. You can see here. So we provide a water facility without any interruption for the children's betterment. So one more girls restroom we have. So here is the place where the primary children, they can have the drinking water here in the time of break time. At the same time we have steps to the 900 classes also. So now we have one more drinking water facility area, and here the steps towards 900 classes. This place also being utilized by primary children for drinking healthy water. So we have provided RO water for our children. You can see uninterrupted water we provide to our students. So the ground floor itself we also have a computer lab. You can see the computer lab is fully furnished with all sort of computers inside the lab. So this is where students are going to learn IT. Systems we have provided for our students for their learning about IT. So we also have a projector facility. We utilize this place for students learning. Also we have provided a LED TV inside the computer lab. So now we go to first floor. You can see all the proper facility here. So in the first floor we have our classes 6, 7, 8 we have. So now we go to the upgradation of class 9 and 10. So we can see all the facilities we have in the first floor. So we start with grade 6. So you can see here first floor start with the staff room and the grades 6, 7, 8. So and also the classes of upgradation 9 and 10 also you can see in this floor. So fully furnished. Children will be very safe in the first floor here. You can see all the windows with the grilled one. Not only mirror we have, and we have grilled windows. You can see the playground view also from here. So grade 6 classroom you can see here. The same sort of facility with all the classes we have in this class also. With all proper grade 6 classroom, so with full of furnished one. So grade 7, you can see all the classes with same sort of facility. So here we have grade 8. You can see the same sort of facilities in this classroom also. So after this we will go for checking the class 9 and 10 for upgradation. So you can see in this floor also we have a fire extinguisher for 9 and 10 classes. Now we can see the first class for this year upgradation. Class 10, you can see. So the upgradation second classroom you can see here. So it also has same sort of facility with grilled windows and as well as proper ventilation facility. Everything is there. So as per the bylaws of CBSE, we also have mathematics lab. You can see inside the lab with all sort of furnished things. So this lab is going to be key lab for our upcoming 9 and 10 students. So they are going to learn all the mathematical elements inside this lab. So here we also have social studies group, which is very essential for any CBSE child to have a place for social learning. So at last, after the school education, student is going to be in the social atmosphere with all sort of experiences. So we also have a room for social studies. We have one more essential science lab for 9 and 10 upgradation. We have a fire extinguisher near the physics lab, so which is a basic need for any school mentioned in the CBSE bylaw. Now we can see the physical science lab here. So the construction of the physical science lab, you can see 9 into 6 meters as per the bylaws of the CBSE. 600 square meters they have asked, but we have more than sufficient area for our physical science lab. You can see all the facilities we have provided for the next academic year 9 and 10 upgradation. So this is the place where our students going to have some practical experiences inside the lab.
सुबह पहले फुल व्यू उधर
So we also have proper staff facilities for our physical science lab. You can see both physics and chemistry. You can see inside here in this lab. Now we have in the biology lab, which is very essential for class 9 and 10 upgradation. You can see the proper facility inside the campus we have in Ambai Vidyashram Public School. So all sort of facilities we have provided for children to have practical experiences. We have provided here in the biological lab. So now we are in the first floor. You can see the hand wash facility we have provided for the classes 6 to 10 also. In the ground floor we saw the primary section hand wash. So we have provided the complete infrastructure for the students. We also have the social studies room. Here we can see boys restroom for the classes 6 to 10 with proper partition. In the first floor we have 6 to 10 classes. For the girls specifically we have provided restroom facility here. You can see it is being constructed as per the bylaws of CBSE. So recreation is very essential for any student while he is involving in education. So we have a recreation room as called as a music room. You can see all the instruments we provide for the children to have a healthy mind. You can see the musical instruments. So you also have a board to teach the children the notes of music. So we also have provided in the first floor itself a wash basin, you can see. So as we saw in all the corridors, right from ground floor to first floor, we have provided the hand wash facility with wash basin. So now we can see 2 classrooms in excess for further upgradation. So which is going to be a key role for the students to learn here. So as we saw right from class 1 to 10 with all the lab facilities, we also have additional classrooms. So we also have a vice principal cabin. So down we saw principal cabin, up to the same first floor we also have a vice principal cabin, which is very essential for any CBSE school for an in charge. So here we have the medical room, which is essential for the children to be taken care of. Those students who are sick actually. So we have provided the facility here, medical room with all sort of facility. So the first floor we have staff room, you can see here, which is fully furnished with all sort of facilities the staff they need. Teachers prepare here and there will be tracking purpose, all the things will be happening with the staff. So we have one more additional room here which can be used for staff. So we have an auditorium here, you can see the place where we have a gathering, all sort of programs of our school we conduct here. It is being constructed as per the bylaws of CBSE, and we also conduct parents meeting here. So it is recommended to have all the CBSE schools to regularly conduct cultural programs and all. So we utilize this auditorium for the purpose. You can see the continuity of the wall along with the playground. So as mentioned in the bylaws of CBSE, we have provided the same facility inside our campus. So playground with planted trees also, which provides good and healthy atmosphere for our students. So we saw the aerial view from the first floor of our playground. Now we are going to see our playground in specific in the ground level. You can see the first court as a shuttlecock court. As well as we also have a court for tennis ball, a court for kabaddi, Good afternoon. Now we have completed our prior video for online inspection to our school 9 and 10 upgradation. So we have completed our video. We have shown all the infrastructure which is been mentioned in the SOP of online inspection. So we forward this video to committee number 1. And we are awaiting for the link to be sent on September 7. Thank you.